If you forget the patterns, pins, or digital numbers on your Android phone, our DroidKit screen unlocker mode provides a solution to get into your device. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to regain access to your device when you've forgotten your screen passcode. Please launch DroidKit and select the screen unlocker mode. Please be noted the device data will be erased after unlocking screen passcode. Click on the Start button. Connect your Android device to computer with a USB cable. Choose Device Connected button. DroidKit will begin preparing the configuration file for your device. This may take a few moments, so please be patient during this process. Please click Remove Now button. Here we take Samsung device as an example. If you have a Samsung device, you will be prompted regarding the device's shutdown capabilities. Select the appropriate option based on your device's features. Please follow the instructions of DroidKit interface to put your device in recovery mode based on device with Without Home button with Bixby button and Wipe Cache partition on your device. Press and hold volume down plus power buttons until the screen light off. During the process, keep the USB connected. Press and hold volume up and power buttons for a few seconds. Release all held buttons when the Samsung logo appears and wait for the recovery mode menu. Use volume keys to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. And confirm with the power button. Choose Factory Data Reset option and reboot system now. It will start to remove Android screen lock. It will take some time. Please keep patient. Your device will be started, and you can access your Android device without entering any password on the device with no limits.